Woo! Welcome everybody. This is a dark dungeon in here, so don't mind the darkness. But yeah, we're going to talk about this little device here. It's a TP-Link Bluetooth dongle, so I can go ahead and hook things up to it, including a controller and some sound. We'll go ahead and show you that. But this is going to just be a quick real review. This you can buy off Amazon for like $10 to $12, sometimes $15, but it's pretty cheap. I'll put the link down below so you can go pick up one of these things. But it's pretty awesome. I don't have a Bluetooth card or wireless card in my computer, so if I need to use anything Bluetooth, I go ahead and take this out of my little drawer, put it into a USB, and get started with it. But I just wanted to test a couple things and show you that these things are amazing little $15 devices. My friend's computer, her Bluetooth just bonked out on her, and I was like, yo, don't worry, go down to Walmart, go pick one of these up for pretty cheap, Best Buy, wherever, they're everywhere, right? You can pick up one of these cheap little things, plug it into the back of your computer, and it works pretty great. So, here's me showing you that you can use it. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, I am plugging this in, and... Okay, so you see the Bluetooth symbol actually started up right down here, so now the Bluetooth has, like, it's in. And so you can go up here, you can add a Bluetooth device, you can show Bluetooth devices. Alright, so after clicking the little Bluetooth symbol in the bottom right corner, it opened this up, the Bluetooth and other device settings. So you can go ahead and add Bluetooth and other device or other device to go ahead and go through the settings here. If remember, this is add a device, then it's Bluetooth, or it's wireless to play, or it's everything else. So if it's Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, right? And then it will pop up some Bluetooth devices. I'm going to go ahead and cancel. But this is the window. It's connected to here right now. So let's go ahead and pull up a game and show you that. Okay, so I have it hooked up now. I'll go ahead and play this video. It's hooked up to these Kleep speakers, Bluetooth-wise. It's hooked up there. So you can hear the video going, but also it's hooked up to this at the same time. So if I go ahead and get to the, where's my mouse? Down here, I can control this and that at the same time with that Bluetooth dongle. So it's actually using 2 different connections right now off that dongle, which is amazing. So you can play wirelessly, you can do whatever you need to, you hook up a Bluetooth mouse, whatnot to this thing. And again, you can have 2 different connections going at the same time. Here's my beautiful pyramids, but point is, so it's awesome that this works, that we can have 2 things at the same time, but they claim to have 65-foot range, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the opposite corner of my house and measure that out and see where we're at the dining room table, and then if we need to go farther, we can go out farther. But yeah, so let's go ahead and check that out and see if I can have a good range off this and hit that 65, because that'd be dope. So we're approximately 57 feet away from the Bluetooth dongle right here and comfortably at the dining room table, but minus the delay just because of Discord. We're doing pretty well. Like, this is pretty great at 57 feet. Now, in order to get to the whole 65 feet, we're gonna have to go outside. But like, this reminds me of just being on a really laggy server right now. This is how this is playing, which is hilarious. Just pop. All right, let's go ahead and go inside. Oh no. Okay. Again, this has nothing to do with the Bluetooth. It all has to do with Discord just being a laggy piece of shit. Let's get up. Okay. Gotta just kind of be delayed with everything. There we go. This works at 57 feet. We're gonna go outside and see if it works then, and then if it does, then it did what it said it would do, which is 65 feet. I don't know what the zombie's doing right now. Okay, so to the outside of the house where that is, that's approximately 62 feet. Add 3 feet here. Is 3 feet. Controlling my hand, being awkward. But if you see, oh shit. Okay, well, that's not exactly what I wanted to see. But like, go ahead and drop that so I can have 2 hands again. Goodness. We are moving. We're moving at 65 feet. Real review, these things are awesome. If you don't have Bluetooth or your Bluetooth box out, use this. You can use it for multiple devices. If your Bluetooth doesn't have multiple devices, you can go ahead and pick one of these up so you can use multiple at the same time. Like, it's a no-brainer. Like, $12? Yeah, fuck that shit. Buy it. Buy it. All right. See you guys next week, and see you guys tomorrow, and see you guys on Friday.